If I lost my agency today and had to start from zero, this is exactly what I would do to get back to $10,000 a month. And this is my third agency, so I'm not saying this as theory, because the agency business is simple. Getting clients is where everyone gets punched in the mouth. And most people stuck at zero are not stuck because they picked the wrong software. They're stuck because nobody taught them how to sell the damn thing. Right now, I run a $35,000 a month agency with no ads, no dialers, no sales team, no Zoom calls. Just me, my laptop, and my cell phone. And if I had to rebuild it from zero, this is the exact roadmap I would follow. I would not make the perfect logo or build the perfect website or buy another snapshot. And I would not sit around waiting for Zoom calls that never show up. Because all of this feels like progress, but most of the time it's just procrastination. The one thing that gets you from zero to your first client is conversations. So I'd stop building stupid shit and start calling business owners. From zero to $1,000 a month, I would pick home service businesses and start cold calling. That's it. Plumbers, electrician, pest control, landscape, tree removal service, any local home service business where Google reviews and rankings actually matter. And at this stage, I would not overthink the niche. Everyone wants to spend 3 weeks trying to pick the perfect niche because it feels productive. It's not. You need reps. You need to hear what business owners are saying when they pick up the phone. You need to mess up. You need to stumble through the opener. You need to get told no. You need to learn how people actually respond. Your only job from $0 to $1,000 a month is to start conversations and get free trials going. And the offer I'd use is simple. I'd call home service businesses, look at their reviews, and say something like, "Hey, I noticed you only have 17 reviews. Are you new in town?" They'll usually defend themselves and say, "No, we've been here for 10 years. Perfect, that's exactly what I want. Then I'll say, "That's actually why I called. I built the system to get home service businesses more reviews, and I wanted to give you 25 reviews for free just for feedback. Do you have 30 seconds? That's the whole front door. It's not SEO, it's not marketing, it's not some giant package, it's not a $2,000 a month pitch. Just, I'll help you get 25 reviews for free. It's a 2-week trial, and after that, if they want to keep going, it's $97 a month. The $97 a month is not where the money is. Now, let me be clear. The $97 a month is there because it has almost no friction. It gets them to say yes, it gets them results, and it gets you inside the account. And once they see reviews coming in, they'll ask the question every agency wants to hear. What else do you do? And that's when the real money starts. So from $1,000 to $3,000 a month, I would keep cold calling for free Google trials. I would not stop. Most people get 1 or 2 clients and they immediately start acting like they need systems, onboarding SOPs, VAs, fulfillment SOPs. No. Keep calling. The thing that got you your first client is the thing that's going to get you your next one. But now I'd also start calling your first clients who are getting reviews from you and start upselling Google rankings. This is where merchant comes in, because once they're getting reviews, the next conversation is easy. You say, "Hey, reviews are starting to come in," which is great. But the next thing we have to look at is whether people can find you when they search you. Because you can have 1,000,000 reviews, but if you're not on the first page, that's like buying a Lamborghini and leaving it in your garage. There's no point. Then you pull up where they rank. And if they're not showing up in the map pack, you walk them through it. Look, when someone searches tree service in your area, you're not in the top 3 or the top 5 or even on that first page. You're buried under companies with more reviews, better Google optimization, better Google activity. Now the upsell makes sense. You're not randomly calling them and saying, "Hey, do you need SEO?" That's what everyone else does. You're saying, "Look, you're already getting reviews. Now let's make sure those reviews are actually helping you show up higher on Google." And that's a completely different conversation. From $1,000 to $3,000 a month, I'm still cold calling, but I'm also going back to the first review clients and upselling them merchant, Google business profile optimization, rankings, whatever you want to call it. Then from $3,000 to $5,000 a month, I'm still doing the same thing. Still cold calling, still offering the free review trial, still converting them to $97 a month, and still upselling merchant to anyone who doesn't have it. But now I add a third piece, websites. And again, I'm not leading with websites. I'm not calling a random plumber saying, "Hey, do you need a website?" Because most of them think they already have one or they don't care. The website upsell comes after they already trust you. So now you have a client who already has reviews coming in. You're helping their Google profile. They're starting to understand rankings. Now you can say your Google presence is moving in the right direction, but your website is still working against you. And this is where the one-click website offer comes in. You're not selling them some giant custom web design project. You're saying, "Look, your website should match what we're doing on Google. It should load fast, look professional, have the right service pages, and actually help turn visitors into phone calls." That's a much easier upsell because they already see you as a person handling their Google presence. So now the stack becomes reviews, Google rankings, and websites. That's the foundation. And by the way, this is where the client gets sticky. A review only or website only or ranking only client can cancel at any time. But a client who has reviews, Google rankings, and a website with you is much harder to cancel because now you're not just some random marketing service. You basically own their entire online presence. Then from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, this is where I would make the switch. At this point, you've had enough reps, you've heard enough objections, you know what business owners say, you know how to explain reviews, you know how to explain Google rankings, you know how to explain websites. So now I would stop selling the free reviews as the front door. I'd start one call closing the whole package. Reviews, merchant, and a website all together. Because at this point, you should be good enough to explain the whole problem all on one call. Problem is not just that they need Google reviews. The problem is that their entire Google presence is weak. They don't have enough reviews, they're not ranking high enough, their website is outdated, looks bad, or is not built to convert. So instead of selling one little piece, I'd package the whole thing. And I'd still keep it simple. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to help you get more reviews. We're going to optimize your Google listing so you can rank higher and give you a better website so when people find you, they actually call you. That is easy for a business owner to understand. More reviews, higher rankings, better websites, more calls. That's the business. And once I had confidence, that's when I would start charging setup fees. At zero, I would not obsess over setup fees. I'd rather get the clients, get the results, get the reps. But once I'm at $5,000 a month, I know I can sell it. And now I'm charging setup fees because now I'm not guessing anymore. I know the offer works, I know fulfillment works, and I know what to say. And most importantly, I know how to close. This is the part that most people get backwards. They want to start at the $10,000 a month version of a business before they've done the $0 work. They want the funnel, the websites, the snapshots, the automation. They want everything to look professional, but they don't want to make the calls. And that's why they stay stuck. The agency business is not complicated. Pick a market, pick a simple offer, get people results, and upsell them the next logical thing. Keep calling until you stop sucking. That's the game. I've had days where I made 150 calls and closed 4 clients at $4.99 a month. That's almost $2,000 a day in recurring revenue. And it's not because I'm special or I have some special magic software, but it's because I picked up the phone and learned how to sell the damn thing. If you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the review offer, the A2P setup, the website offer, and the exact roadmap I use to go from $0 to $10,000 a month, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can get access completely free with the link down below. I'll see you on the calls.